it off again. Well, anyway, we're out here with the little birds. It's a nice night, kind of warm. For the most part, they seem to be getting along. May just got a little bit territorial and bonked one of the chicks in the head pretty hard there. But the chick's back up. She sat down for a minute, but she's back up. Got the Wild Kingdom over there. Okay, everybody. Well, thank you so much for watching. Sure appreciate you all. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment or a question. Yeah. Share us on social media if you're so inclined. Yeah, I'm happy with the way things are working out here in the coop. For the most part, we're getting along. There's a little bit of aggression from time to time, but the chicks all look like they're in pretty good shape. They're pretty strong birds, these quail. I really hope they'll all continue to get along, integrate in. Gives me hope for when the 10 get to come out here. Yep, 8 birds in the coop right now. He's not sure what to do over there. She better be nice. Looks like Missy's up there with the babies. Whew. Okay, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. We sure appreciate you. Hope you're having a great night. I think I'm going to go in and get a couple more things done before I turn in. I'm just so thrilled to see that the little birds are doing all right. Very happy with that. All right. Thanks again, everybody. Have a super night. Bye for now.